Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today I am bringing you an unboxing of the Blackstone Pro Series 28-inch griddle cooking station, the 2-burner. There was an edition of this that was made out during Black Friday, the 3-burner, pretty similar to it, but it was 3 burners instead of 2. Here's some of the features that this has. I'll show you really quick. This is model 1858. I want to say it's exclusive to Walmart, but I'm not sure 100%, but I'm pretty certain, almost certain, that it is. Again, this is strictly an unboxing that I'm going to be doing. I may do a video later of the actual assembly of the product, but for now, it's going to be strictly an unboxing video of what is in the box here. Alright guys, so let's open the box and see what's inside. Sometimes these boxes you can lift up as a whole piece. Just like that. Alright guys, so I just opened this up and I have to tell you the packaging on this thing is great. Blackstone uses some really high quality cardboard to make sure this doesn't get damaged during shipping. And I work for a company where we do a lot of shipping, so I can tell you that this is packed really well. I mean, the size of cardboard they have in this thing is incredible. Look how thick that is. That's some good packaging right there. So I'm going to put all these off to the side here. We have our inspected by sheet right there, just in case anybody needed to know who this was inspected by. Alright, so let's see what's in. Man, look at this. They even have these supports right here on the sides that are nice and sturdy. That is fantastic. Let's see what's in the box here. So it looks like we have our instruction manual, our knobs, and all the hardware that we're going to need to build this later on. So I'll set this up to the side. Looks like there's a little Blackstone sticker in here as well. That's kind of cool. What do we have in here? Can't get my blade to work. All right. Sorry about that. A little trouble there. So inside of this box, it looks like we have the shell. That looks like that's the trash can bag holder. We have a couple handles, it looks like, right in here. Another, that looks like it's the handle for the cover itself. The cooking station right there. What's in here? Oh, a little bit of weight to this one. I'm thinking this is going to be the cover and the top itself. Set this here. All this out of the back. Oh, this is super nice. this is the main cooking station. I put that upside down so when I put the wheels on there, because I'm sure the wheels are in here somewhere, it's going to have to be flipped upside down anyway. So let's get this opened up and see what's in here. Just like I said, here is your burner and cover. It's an all-in-one system built together. Everything looks good so far. No dings, no nothing, which is always nice. This thing's packaged so well, I wouldn't expect to see any of that. Inside of here, there is another box. I'm not being held up at it. Let's see what's inside of these. Looks like we have our drip pan for the rear right here. Yeah, like I said, we have our wheels in here as well. All right, this is the last one right here. Let's see what's in this box. So in this box here, we have our shelves. 2 shelves with this unit. Very nice. Okay, everyone, so that's the unboxing of the 28-inch Pro Series griddle from Blackstone. It's a 2020 edition 2-burner. I know they had the 3-burner during Black Friday. I am so out of breath, man. All right, guys, so there you have it. That was just a quick unboxing what is inside of the box of the Pro Series 28-inch griddle cooking station from Blackstone, the 2-burner series. I'll just do a quick recap. You have the instruction manual, you have the rear grease tray, you have 3 handles, 2 of them for the cabinet, 1 for the lid, 4 wheels obviously. You have your hardware and your knobs for the temperature control. There's also a shelf for the inside, and then you have your little trash compartment there, your trash bag holder, I apologize. And then you have 2 shelves. One has the magnetic utensil holder, which is really nice. On each side of these shelves, there is also 3 little prongs for your utilities, which is really nice. You have the flat top itself with the lid, and then I know this is upside down, but again, I have it upside down because I need to put the wheels on it. I'm not going to do a video on how to put this together. There's actually a really good one on Walmart's website. If you just look up the 28-inch Pro Series and then scroll through it, you'll find the instructions on how to put it together by Blackstone. It's really good, so I highly recommend looking at that. Hope you enjoyed this video.